OnePlus has just released its official teaser of the OnePlus 13 that will be presented on October 31st in China. In this teaser, they reveal part of the design that will have this device with thin bezels and a new camera module, slightly different from the last generation but retaining much of its essence. Remember, the 31st of October we will have the official information of this device that will have a very special emphasis on the camera, as all this series has traditionally had. And finally, HONOR also released the official teaser of its next Magic 7 Pro that will be presented on October 30th in China. In this teaser is left to see a design of a back cover very similar to the Huawei P60 that had a very nice finish, that by the way was unique in each unit, so we don't know if HONOR is going to take the same strategy or not. But like all flagships nowadays, it will also have a focus on the camera, where they will apparently debut a new design with a ring similar to the last generation, but yes, it might look slightly different. It is said that the telephoto camera sensor will also change, but we will have all the official information on October 30th.